Log into the 711Proxy website. Click Proxy Setup and API. In the left sidebar, select Residential Proxies. Select API. Add the local address to the whitelist before API access. Click Add Now. Confirm adding whitelist. Choose a plan type. Select country/region. Setting the number of proxies to generate. Selecting proxy protocols, formats, and separator. Click to generate. Open link. API obtained successfully, you can start using. Open Firefox. Click this icon and then click Settings. Slide to the bottom. Find the Network Settings section. Click Settings. Select Manual Proxy Configuration. Paste the host port extracted from 711Proxy. Click OK. Proxy configuration was successful. Thank you for watching.